everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in a BMW 2 Series convertible, and we add back camera and front camera. This is the trunk handle camera. And this is the front camera that it goes right inside the grill. The sound system of this car is Harman Kardon, as you can see. So our unit is compatible with the Harman Kardon or any other BMW sound system that you have. It retains the factory functions. You can use the iDrive knob or you can use the touch screen. And that's the main menu for the BMW. By touching the screen or hold the menu button for a few seconds, it goes to the aftermarket mode. And right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay. Again, you can use the command knob or you can use the touch screen to navigate through the CarPlay or Android Auto. It supports wired and wireless, and this is the iNav Pro. This car is a manual transmission, so by going to reverse, the camera shifts to backup camera, and you can do dynamic guidelines. And going back to drive or park, it switches to the front camera. The reason you see those lines over there, the static lines, these are the ones from the camera that basically customer brought it in, and it's a trunk handle camera. Our trunk handle camera, you can eliminate these static lines, but this is the camera that the customer brought it in. He had the trunk handle camera, so that's why you see those static lines. Otherwise you just see the dynamic guidelines. Also we put one option here that you can add front camera to the main screen. So if you want to reach it out by manually, you can click on front cam and you can see it. You can insert SIM card inside the unit. There is a location on top of the screen that you can add SIM card, and you can use it as like individual tablets. So you can go to Play Store and install any apps that you like. Also, the screen comes with digital cluster that it shows RPM and speed. If you have any questions, if you want to buy the unit, you can go to 4x4Shop.ca. We have a WhatsApp logo at the bottom of our website. You can ask us any question or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. All the information are on our website 4x4Shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.